She is one of the best teachers in the world. Of course, her students already know that. And now a music teacher from the Bronx is a top 10 finalist for the Global Teacher Prize.
Yes, Global Teacher. She's the only American in the group. Eyewitness News reporter Tim Fleischer has her story.
Melissa Salguero is in her zone. Molding, shaping, and teaching her young music students, this is more than a passion.
I'm educating these kids for their future, and I want them to leave my classroom with so much pride in their heart and the mindset that nothing is impossible.
In fact, for 30 years before she arrived in 2010, there was no music program at PS 48. Her goal?
Music education. I want every student in every school to have a music education because that is the future.
Always reaching higher, Melissa is one of 10,000 teachers from 39 countries who have applied for the $1 million Global Teacher Prize. And on this day, the entire school gathered for a student assembly to hear.
It is now my great pleasure to announce the top 10 finalists for the Global Teacher Prize for 2019. Melissa Salguero from the United States.
This moment right here is not for me. This is for all of us here at PS 48, because our teachers are making a true change in the world.
Only American to be selected for this, it's an amazing thing, and the fact that it's here in Hunts Point is even better.
Her students, mostly 4th and 5th graders, have more than great affection for her.
I'm really happy for her. I think it's very great that she got it because she deserves it. And if she wins, it's going to be really exciting.
Melissa next will travel to Dubai in late March to learn if she will win the Global Teacher Prize.
The only music teacher ever to make the top 10 finalist position, so I'm just so honored.
Honored and dedicated to making sure all of her students succeed.